Our October 2021 Gin of the Month box has landed, and it's a good one.
It's a fantastic one. We're finally going back to Ireland. I've been waiting so long to get this one out to the members. I can't wait for it.
Let's have a look at what's in the box. First, we have our Micil Spiced Orange Gin. Now, this is not a flavored gin, is it?
It's definitely not a flavoured gin. There's a strong juniper base to it. It's everything you love in gin, but there's some key botanicals that just give it that lovely flavour on top of it. And it's a great pop to the bottle as well.
Shall we give it a taste?
I'd love to. Thank you very much, Beffy. Slancha.
Slancha. Ooh, that's delicious.
It's brilliant. It's a really well-rounded gin here, so you're not going to get overpowered by the citrus notes or the spice notes at all. It works brilliantly.
Next, we have our tonics for our perfect G&T. This is Troughton's Raising Spirits tonic.
So it's perfect for this Halloween box, but they also have a little bit of tea in there just to elevate the profile of it.
Let's give it a little taste, shall we?
So that's what you want in a tonic. It's really crisp, it's really clean. Now matched perfectly with Micil.
Of course, we have our garnish for the perfect G&T. This is blood orange and cardamom.
So obviously with the blood orange in there, it's brilliant for Halloween time, but it also works perfectly in a G&T serve there. It's a little bit of spice, a little bit of citrus, exactly as you get with Micil.
All right, shall we give it a quick smell?
Go on then, why not?
We do good garnishes, I feel. Ooh, smell that.
That's blood orange. I can tell you that.
Next up, we have everything you need for our cocktail of the month. It's called the Banshee. And of course, we have a cocktail syrup for you. This is the Banshee cocktail syrup.
And there's tons of Celtic mythology behind the Banshee, which is why we picked this out to name it this month.
This is Bibite Polara Green Mandarin.
So it's absolutely perfect when you're putting this cocktail together. It gives it a beautiful green colour, very Halloweeny, very spooky.
Let's give this a taste. That is so good. That is delicious. I cannot wait to try this in our cocktail of the month.
I'm as excited as you are with that.
It tastes like fresh mandarin. This next one is so good.
Love what you did there, Beffy.
Thank you. This is the Soho Juice Company. We have blood orange, raspberry, and ginger.
So the interesting thing about these guys, they actually make fizz-free mixes, which are a little bit different from the usual. But with blood orange, you can see why it pops it into a Halloween box, and it's really tasty to have too.
Shall we give it a try?
Why not?
You can do the honors.
Thank you very much. It lives up to the hype. That's brilliant.
Next up, we have another bottle of Angostura bitters. This one is Angostura orange bitters.
So Angostura should be the mainstay in your cupboard for any cocktail maker. But for this one in particular, if you try it in your Negroni, it really elevates the flavour to something a bit more special.
Now on to the snacks. First up, we have Piper's Pita Chips. We have Cawdor Hills garlic and herbs, or you might be getting sweet chili and sour cream flavor.
So you guys might know Piper's a little bit more from their crisps, but these are brand new for them and they're really, really tasty.
Okay, I'll try these, you try these.
Deal.
This smells like pizza.
Lots of sweet chili in there.
I could eat this whole bag right now. We have some crisps that have a very special flavor to them. Pete, these are Bert's Snacks Guinness crisps.
Now we can go all the way to Ireland about bringing back a few of those flavours that just scream the Emerald Isle.
I cannot wait to try these.
Now I've had these before already. It's the perfect treat to have next to your G&T as well.
I can almost taste the foam. Last but not least, we have No Irish Cream Chocolate.
Now, if we're talking about flavours of Ireland, you can't just go Guinness, you have to have some Irish cream in there as well. So we worked really closely with Nor to put this together. It's exclusive for us and it tastes amazing.
I cannot wait to try this. I've been dying to try this.
I got to be part of the taste testing team for this and it's one of the best treats of working at Craft Gin Club.
Okay. Ooh, it smells like Irish cream.
Jeremy is Irish cream in a chocolate bar.
You will love this, promise. Of course, we have our Ginned magazine. This month is filled with all sorts of delicious cocktail recipes, information about the distillers.
Please go find out. Micil, a great team over there. They make some great gin too. So enjoy October's box.
And let us know what you think. Now, Pete, I'll arm wrestle you for the rest of that chocolate bar.
Let's go.